How to split screen on Android. First of all, to split your screen on your Android device, go ahead and swipe up or go ahead and click on the tabs button if you are using a navigation bar. So go ahead and swipe up your screen and go ahead and tap on the tab which you want to split the screen with. So after you do this, you can just go ahead and keep this on the middle for a pop-up view, or else scroll, or you can swipe a bit down and tap on here. So after you drop it, you can see two tabs are open. And if you want to switch between tabs, you can always do that. You can just go ahead and tap on the tab you want to swipe, and you can see that if you drop it, you can now use two things at once. And if you want further more help, you can just go ahead and swipe it from the place and it will be rearranged. And for the pop-up view, like I told you, you can just go ahead and drop it on the middle anytime. So guys, this is how easy it is to have a split screen on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.